Hi everybody! Did you know that one of the most important parts to inspect on a two-post lift often gets overlooked? Arm restraints. These spring-loaded gears are not locks, but they are designed to help hold swing arms in position once they're engaged. And they can withstand 150 pounds of sideways force. Arm restraints should be inspected daily for excessive wear, improper function, or damage. If any of these issues are found, sound the alarms! Then call your local Rotary distributor or go to our Amazon shop to get your Rotary genuine parts replacements. And always remember to have your lift inspected every year by an ALI certified inspector. I'll see you next time on Shop Tips with Rotary Jack. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you.